Hello everyone, my name is Lizzie Costume and I'm here to present the final proposal. Costume COM 303 final proposal. Sunday, December 12, 2021. Lizzie Costume 2431 Iron Off Road, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania 17110. Subject, new class proposal. Dear Mr. Paul Miller, Director of Students Affairs, I, Lizzie Costume, Director of New Class Development at Central Penn College, I'm writing this letter to you to propose a new class that I believe will be a very good initiative for the immigrant students community at Central Penn. I hope that the proposal will be able to attract your attention and, if possible, your acceptance. Central Penn's mission is to open opportunities to students from a variety of academic backgrounds by providing the education needed for employment and advancement in their field. As we know that migration has been a major source of major population growth and culture change throughout much of the United States history. Most immigrants feel welcome in the U.S. and have hope that it will be the place they can work on realizing their dreams. In accordance with the college mission, which is to open opportunities to students from a variety of academic backgrounds, I would like to propose the basic English class for English non-speaker students in the first year of their enrollment at Central Penn. Many people would like to go to college, but they are not able to speak English. As a foreign student currently enrolled at Central Penn, I am aware of the difficulties that students like me are facing due to language barrier. I didn't get that class proposed to me when I first got enrolled. I was very fortunate that in Haiti, the Minister of Education Board made it a requirement to learn English and Spanish in high school for 7 years, which resulted to be very useful to me in my professional career in the USA. Most countries don't do that. By proposing this class, I am advocating for foreign students so they can get a chance to go further with their education. This class proposal will also be a way to attract other potential students if they know that a basic English class will be provided along with the major that they will choose to be enrolled in. Personally, I attended that class in Brockton College in Boston, Massachusetts, when I first came to the US. It has given me the help that I needed to start my journey. Other community colleges in the US also have this class available in their catalogs. The process of learning a new language never stops and will keep on going. The basic English class will be about teaching foreign learners some basic English. The class will be for currently enrolled foreign students and people who had a degree or were professionals in their country and are interested in pursuing a degree. It is essential for an immigrant who wants to become a professional in the USA to learn how to speak, read, and write English. Therefore, it is required to know some level of basic English so that it enhances their capability to be more productive. We hope that our proposal will be adequate and helpful in addressing your project to add a new class to the catalog of the college. Should there be any lacking in the proposal, Please feel free to contact me at 717-608-2090. Thank you for providing me the opportunity to assist you. We are grateful for all the efforts you are making to make Central Payne a place where people can feel accepted and encouraged in the realization of their dreams. Sincerely, Luzwet Costume, Director of New Class Development, 717-608-2090. Email lcostume@hotmail.com. Thank you.